Families, thank you so much for joining us today for one of our parent workshops. We're going to make lists of all of the things that our children are exposed to that we might not have been exposed to. When I think about children and I think about success, it takes all of us to help grow our students academically, socially, emotionally. The benefit of parent workshops is truly connecting with our families and building a learning community.
Have a good day.
The campus was created to be learner-centered. Learner-centered means all of us are learners. The teachers, the parents, the students, the community.
We look at that parent-teacher-student triangle where all three are working on behalf of the students.
Providing parent workshops are really essential to creating relationships, bringing our families in to what we do on a daily basis and letting them know that we want them to be actively engaged.
It's a learning for me also when I come to this workshop. There's something new I learn every time I come here. This you wrote it?
Yeah, I drew all of them.
For this particular workshop, we had a movie-making project for our Earth Science unit.
What is that a picture of?
The tectonic plates squishing together. We were learning about water, then we learned about fire, and then we learned about Earth and plate tectonics and all that. We got to pick one of those topics, and then we made a movie about them.
Fire, the force in nature.
Ava made a video that described how fire plays a role in the earth. She voiced over a dialogue, and she learned a lot about disastrous fires that have happened in California. So this is a heat map showing the differences in temperature.
I love seeing the parents so attentive. They were surprised about what their children created and the reflection that the children had.
Wow, I am amazed.
This is the end of my presentation. I hope you have a great day.
In the second half of our workshop, we pulled parents together to give them a presentation around digital media literacy. Something that kept resonating with us came from our last workshop when one of our families brought up video and how that impacts what we do and really pulls our children's attentions. So we could be just passive viewers and passive consumers of technology, but what we would really love is to help support our kids to be active and engaged.
So we have a video that we're gonna watch together.
There's a Coke for he, and she,
and her, and me.
We chose the Coca-Cola video to help them think about what their role might be when they're watching another Nike video, another cereal video, and what critical thinking skills are really necessary.
There's a Coke for you.
What do we think the purpose of this video is?
Selling Coke.
In thinking about being active viewers instead of passive viewers, we can use a lot of the questioning methods. What was this story about? What was the main idea about? Who is it targeting?
One thing I can take away from this workshop, what are the kind of questions I can ask about the videos and encourage her to choose the right content.
We always leave about the last 10 minutes of our workshop for the parents to be asking questions and share back and forth some of the challenges that they have. We're all in this together, and as technology changes, so do our challenges.
Devices are everywhere, so I really like that they're learning to use it as a tool. I love knowing how to implement that at home. Now you're an iMovie expert. Do you think you can do another one at home?
Yeah.
Learning is beyond just our school walls. Our students' success depends on our families and our schools working together.